To make an experiment together with you and show you what we can do on eBay. So how many sales we can get for one day, or let's say 8 hours. What the experiment is very simple. Now I'm gonna ebay.com, log into my account and show you that I have no sales at this point because I shipped everything this morning. You see this bell here is just a blank, so which means there is no sales. And now time is, let me show you the time. Time is noon, almost noon. Okay, so this is the first part of the video. The next part of the video we're gonna make, let's say what, 9 hours, something like this. Let's see what can I, and eBay.com, and oops, 36, 36, 36. Good. So on 8-9 hours I got 36 sales here. Okay. So that's the product, and if you can see, purchased 132 times. For what? For myself? I don't think so. If you're smart enough, don't think so. Okay, so this is how we start. I teach how to start with the products like this, guys. Video today and generate report. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, you see what happened today. Total sales 4,300. My name is Andrew, and I listed my first item already just to show you how it goes. Today is June 1st, 2020. No paid tools. I don't use any paid tools. I don't use any paid softwares. Only manual dropshipping. With almost 3 weeks are over since I opened new account. You can see it's today we got one, June 19, 2020. So far in the 3 weeks I got what, 14 feedbacks. Pretty good. I can sell up to 200 items. They raised my limits very fast because I got a quick sales strategy straight away into here, right? And 92 sold so far. Okay, so selling on eBay.com. Time to work to ship all 40 of them. Okay, so but anyway, that's not the point. Actually, just wanted to show you. Another thing is top rated. I'm still top rated. If you want to see this one, okay, I'm just showing now side notes. Now let me click on this one. Oh, okay. I never go actually here. I don't know what it is. Okay, if for some who can read this current seller level August 2 above standard, everything is above standard. There is transaction defect rate 0. Okay, late shipment 0, case closed without 0, transaction 7. I have no idea what does that mean. Return rate 0. Okay, everything is 0. Cool. Now that inbox. Okay, just bear with me. And here you can see you are an eBay top rated seller. Hi, and blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Now let me click here on the orders. And you can see what you can see on the order side here. You see it's 827 orders placed in past 3 months. Like this, there is below this video is a link to 799, which is all details explained inside there. So anyway, look here, 93 times, $12 here. Okay, so I will show you everything how you can do exactly the same. Here is my and you are going to be able to do the same and making those crazy sales. And here, and you can see here is the make donation. Okay, if you what we do is what I have been doing. Actually, it's very just simply. It's you just and you can use, of course, all of those options if you want. But I found out there is a very small trick. You can when we click here inside, we go inside here and we can see that there is this PayPal is giving fund. They are cooperating with the eBay, and it's. This is the reason why I'm doing such a good result. This is the eBay gator. I already put the eBay gator right. This is here. This is one of my you see, purchased 129 times. You last purchased this item August 24, 2000, which is today. Okay, so choose which one. This is another product here. Okay, so purchased 89 times. Well, this. And this is the another product here. You can see purchased 113 times. Oh, just open date to show you that this is a bit, because you know people are so suspicious that this is kind of like, oh, screenshots and you do this and this. No, I'm not doing screenshots. I told you 12 o'clock, it's the mid of the day already, and 24, and I have something more to do than to fake some screenshots here. So I'm just I just want to encourage you guys that this is the superstar time. And those sales just coming in 20, 30 sales, in some cases 40 sales per day. Here we are with the clock. Where is the clock? Clock is here, okay? Oops, so how can I move the clock? I can move it here. Okay, now 4 September, almost 8:30 p.m. here, West Coast, okay? Cool, take away this. So which means few more sales are gonna happen here. Not much, but few more are gonna be here. All right, so let me take this away. Still awaiting shipment 40. Oh my gosh. Because that's why I made this video today and generate report. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, you see what happened today. Total sales 4,300. I don't know if I told you earlier, I don't remember, but not the biggest mistakes will gonna break your account, but some small error, even in a detail here on settings, for example, here can break your account or can make you a six-figure earner. So this program is to build the solid foundation for you, to show you how you can make with the products like this, listing them manually, few dozen products, not hundreds, not thousands of products, and make six figures. Okay, so this okay, cool, nice. Take care and enjoy sales. Bye bye.